Hi guys, today I'm
Boy,
playing.
Thorn is the hunter.
Today guys, I'm playing The Floor is Lava, and this is me, Dolores. So we're playing another game. You can find this game on Roblox. So as you can see, some people have already won the game, but we can. Well, I'll get you. I pay for that. What happened to my whatchamacallit? This is easy. Uh-oh. So it's, as you can see, our timer. Really?
Ew. Who are those?
I don't know.
JoJo Siwa. Who are those? Sisters?
There's no JoJo Siwa.
JoJo Siwa. Yes. How can you tell? The bow, the face. Cause I seen her.
I survived.
On YouTube, she was in one of JoJo's songs.
Someone just dropped some new merch at Target. Yeah. If you know who it is, comment down below. Guys.
So, oh, yeah. I want the airplane. Get on. I want the airplane. Thank you. I'm gonna stay on here. So, everybody jumping on the airplane. There are like military machine guns or whatever, I think. A lot of people are dying right now in this game. Yes, I fly. I got 20 points. What does this girl look like? A skeleton. I like them shoes though. Me, wait a minute. I'm gonna get them shoes. Oh, you gotta buy those? Oh, I just died. I guess, whatever.
What it is? It's JoJo! JoJo? Wait. JoJo's Closet. Outfits worn by JoJo. Let me see. There's something in there.
When it comes to your style, there's no such thing as a shortcut. Straightening your
Oh yeah, you can see what it's like. I seen this already. She is my sister to JoJo Siwa. Pretty funny though.
Alright. Whose house did we just arrive at? Alright, let's knock on the door and see if she's here.
Please, guys, don't argue about. They just pushed me down here. Like, excuse you. They love to argue on this game. They like to argue about the thing, like the thing on top. I'm gonna show you when I get up there. They like to argue about that part. Like, it's just one part, nothing to argue about. What is he doing? What is this man doing? He look like he doing yoga or exercising or something. come here, dude. I'll do it too. Give me. So, dude. I like this dude right here. I'm gonna add him. I'm going with my friend. Where's he at? My friend is right here. Friend, why are you in the car? You're gonna be melting. He like to jump.
Get away from my
Follow
juice.
the.
Get away from my juice, little
What did you put in there?
manja.
Mind your business.
It's my juice.
You put it in that what's that, tea?
No, they're putting all sorts of stuff in there.
Yes.
Disgusting.
They're gonna print JoJo Siwa.
Yeah, I know. They put oil, they also put a hot sauce in it. Nickelodeon slime.
They cannot be left alone by themselves because they kill somebody. I gotta get up here.
You gotta kill somebody.
Let me look at my friend. Did he just die?
They put a mustard in it. Ew.
Pickles? Okay. I don't think I died. Oh, my best friend. Oh, he's right there. Dude, what you doing? Now he look like he's surfboarding right now. He always doing something. Shoot. Buddy, come back. Buddy, come back.
Why Mandy?
They disrespected JoJo Siwa's house.
Treehouse. I don't know what that's about. My best friend going here, so I'm going.
Ew.
Tony, get up.
Pocky, leave the cover there.
Hold on, that's why.
I followed
He's
my.
trying to kill somebody.
Get out.
She's trying to kill somebody.
Yeah.
Please don't tell me.
Ew.
Ew. Ew.
JoJo might throw up. It is so sensitive. But she's probably through it. Can't even imagine.
Yes, I survived there. I almost died because I got stuck.
He put it, egg,
They put eggs in there. They put hot sauce. He put jelly.
We're just finishing up your smoothies. We thought we would go with a Nickelodeon slime theme. So it's just nice and minty. Yeah. You're used to slime, so it should be amazing. Wow. Don't forget, she has lots of chocolate there. Marinade.
wait, that's her parents?
Yeah.
JoJo Siwa parents?
No, the little boy, little kid's parents.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. I feel like there's a lot of chunks, so a chug might be necessary. All right, so which one are you picking first? I'm going chocolate. Oh, I definitely think it'll taste like chocolate.
Here's his though.
Chocolate's in it? It looks delicious. I'm proud of you. It looks like, honestly, it looks like a chocolate, peanut butter, and a rotten banana shake.
Best friend. Get over. This is my best friend.
Nope, it's gonna be so good. Okay. Yeah.
So we're on top of this big thing. And we don't know what it is, so we all chose it. So guys, they're watching a different video. Who keeps dying? Sorry, let me get off your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 5 of us.
I hate mustard too. Oh, why did you do that to me? It wasn't me. It was all Jen's idea. Jackie, what's gonna get to you? You made me eat that. Alright, this one. Is this one better? What is this? It's steakhouse. Spinach and cow inside of his grass. What's cow? Okay. Why? Are we really checking together? Or is this one actually good?
Oh, it's actually good.
It is?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's really so good.
Like off camera, is it good?
Oh, off camera, yeah.
Yeah. Here we go.
Believe in the shake, Coach. Believe in the shake.
Daddy, can I do it? Yeah, let's do it.
Mo, you. Oh. She made me die because she pushed me. I was. She made me die because she pushed me when I was trying to get. She wanted to get up, so she pushed me out of it. We both could have got.
They put hot sauce in it.
Sorry, it's not enough pictures. That was awful. What was that? We'll clean up your vomit. What was that? Yeah. Why?
For the brain queen.
Just name it. Yeah. No, why? Not enough. You need that back.
Got it, got it.
What about boomerang?
Last time my AC got stuck. So I know right now you can see my
Oh,
skull.
this is a different one.
Oh no, no, no.
This is 114.
I died.
Alright. Whose house did we just arrive at?
That's a different video. That's 114. Just watching 113.
So guys, I really like read this next poem. Look at what we got.
Nope, sorry. They thought I was actually playing Roblox.
What?
Y'all just gonna push me like
Tony
that?
doing a video.
No, I'm not.
You don't want to do a video?
Don't push.
Watch video.
Come on, watch it
Baby
out.
Burst Turbo.
Get back.
Guys, look, I couldn't give her.
Tony, go to bed locker. Tony, go to bed locker.
Hello guys, today we'll be playing Beyblade Burst Turbo. The first episode we was playing it didn't go out so well. But today we're figuring out, will it work?
Why do you have to say, will it? Tony, look. Why do you have to say? Alright, this is when you get your points.
Where's my friend at?
Ta-da! Here's hit that check and you get your points.
Did my friend leave? Oh my gosh.
Okay, Tony. You won already. You won all your points. You won.
Yeah, he left already.
So,
Okay, let's leave
You
this
won it already.
because I